Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 JavaScript code output challenges. Today we are going to solve one code output challenges to related JavaScript. Let's get started. Today challenge is very simple and very interesting. If you don't know which chapters from this question, I'll tell you this question is from variables and data types. First question is first code where a is equal to 5 and now inside curly brackets where a is equal to 10 and last console.log a. Pause video for 5 seconds and think answer. What will be the output of the following code? Now I am going to run. If you don't know what is the shortcut keyboard of how to run VS Code without touch mouse, then simply Control Shift Control Alt plus N. Now the answer is 10. Comment below 10 is why output will be true because I know that. I hope you understand well how it work and what is the problem. Subscribe for more code challenges. Subscribe for like this code challenges.